Hey everyone, Shane Renard, Renard Realty and Next Gen Investments. Welcome to day 4 of our real estate investing content series. Today we're talking to you on a property tour and exploring what to look for when walking a potential investment property. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a beginner, conducting a thorough property tour is essential for making informed investment decisions. Let's dive in and discover the key factors to consider during your property tour. Number one is location. Location is just an old adage that holds true, and it's paramount in our real estate investing. When touring a property, pay close attention to its location relative to the amenities, the schools, transportation hubs, and employment opportunities for your tenants. A desirable location is very significant on the impact of the property's value and the rental potential. Number two is exterior conditions, of course. Start the property tour by assessing the exterior condition of the property. Look for signs of wear and tear, such as peeling paint, cracked sidewalls, damaged roofs. Evaluate the curb appeal overall maintenance of the property. And this can influence the marketability, of course, and the resale value. Number three is your interior layout and functionality. Once inside, focus on the interior layout and functionality of the property. Consider the flow of the space, the size and the configuration of those rooms, and the overall livability of the property. Look for features that appeal to potential tenants or buyers, such as updated kitchens, spacious bedrooms, and ample storage. Number four is structural integrity. Get down in that basement and and assess those structural integrities of the property. The foundation walls, the ceilings. Look for water damage, signs of any instability. Pay close attention to cracks, water stains, sagging floors, things that might be a costly repair for you in the future. And number five, the mechanical systems. Don't overlook the mechanicals. Um, they include the heating, cooling, air conditioning, plumbing, electrical, etc. Ensure that these systems are in good working order and meet current codes and standards. Consider hiring a professional inspector to assess these conditions of these systems thoroughly and get a report. And number six, potentially for any value add-on opportunities. Ideally, potential for value on opportunities for renovations, expansions, low cost fixes or improvements to the property, and how these can help enhance the property's value and appeal to tenants or the end buyer. Number seven, market comparables. Finally, do your research on comparables in the area to gain a good insight of your property's value for when you're buying it and then when you're offloading it. Analyze the data, look at the rental rates, the market trends, and as a property investor, determine the appropriate lease price or sale price. By keeping a key eye on these factors during your property tour, you can make an informed investment decision and identify opportunities that align with your investment goals. Remember to take detailed notes, ask lots of questions, and consult with your professional to maximize that success on your real estate assets. Happy investing and stay tuned for more valuable insights and tips on real estate investing in our ongoing content series. I'm Shane Renard, and if you need help, give me a call 920 606 4436. I'll see you in the next one.